This tutorial explains how to complete the user settings in QA4MOBiLE and their purpose. QA4MOBiLE is designed to step through the items in the left-hand menu panel in order. So after a project has been created and opened and the summary page has been viewed, you can move to the user settings. The output directory is where log files, raster and vector outputs generated by the software will be stored. It must be located outside the project data folder and separate to the working directory. So if that's our project data, that's our work directory, a separate directory for the output folder. Please ensure that the output location selected is writable and has enough free space for storage. An estimate of this is about 1/30th the overall project dataset size. If a check that produces an output file is run a subsequent time, the existing output file for that check will be overwritten. The output folder is per project. It is more efficient to locate the output folder on the local machine or a USB 3 connected external drive rather than a network location or USB 2 connection. The working directory is where temporary files created during processing will be stored. The working directory is per computer or user. It is highly recommended that the working directory selected is on the local machine or a USB 3 connected external drive so that temporary files are not being created over a server or a slow connection. Again, the working directory should be separate to the project data folder and separate to the output folder. So here we go, work. Please ensure that this working directory is writable and has about 1.5 times the size of the LAS data in available space. The working directory is wiped every time a QA session is initiated. Therefore, do not select a directory containing other important files as they will be deleted. If QA4MOBiLE has been run previously, the working directory defaults to the last working directory used on that computer. The user settings are saved to the user profile for the computer or user and will appear by default for each new project or session if they have been provided previously. The details can be changed for any session and the new details will be remembered for the next session. The user can also choose whether or not to receive email notifications after each check finishes, when all checks for the project have been completed, or not at all. Thank you for watching this QA4MOBiLE YouTube tutorial. For other tutorials, please visit the QA4MOBiLE YouTube channel.